Khilafat agitation. The Khilafat agitation infused a new element into the nationalist movement. The chief cause of Khilafat movement was the defeat of Turkey, which fought against the British in the First World War. In the First World War, Turkey had fought on the side of Germany, who lost the war, and the Allied powers, England, France, and USA, imposed the Treaty of Sevres on Turkey. The Sultan of Turkey was regarded as the Caliph or the religious head of the Muslims all over the world. After World War I, the Sultan lost all territories. He was deprived of real authority even over those territories which were left under his control. And this angered the Muslims in India. The Muslims wanted the Khalifa to gain control over Muslims' holy place in Ottoman Empire, that is, the empire of Khalifa. The Khilafat committee was formed under the leadership of Ali brothers, Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Shaukat Ali. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Mukhtar Ahmad Ansari, Saifuddin Kichlu were the important leaders of this movement. The Khilafat leaders put pressure on the British government to give better treatment to Turkey. The Khilafat Committee adopted a policy of non-cooperation with the British government. Mahatma Gandhi saw the Khilafat agitation as a golden opportunity to unite the Hindus and the Muslims and bringing the Muslim masses into the national movement. The Congress leaders joined the agitation and popularized it. Our next topic is non-cooperation movement. You have already read the causes for non-cooperation movement. They were Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, failure of the British to fulfill wartime promises, and Khilafat movement. The aim of the movement was the attainment of Swaraj. It was approved by the Indian National Congress at the Nagpur session in December 1920. Gandhiji proposed that movement would be launched in two stages. The movement started with giving up of honorary titles received by Indians from the government. Gandhiji gave up the title of Kesar-e-Hind. This was followed by the boycott of schools, colleges, legislature, law courts, and elections to the legislatures. People were asked not to work and not to cooperate with the government in any manner. Foreign clothes were burnt in public bonfire and strikes were organized in many places. Along with boycott and non-cooperation, a constructive program was also launched. It included promotion of Swadeshi, particularly charkha and khadi, removal of untouchability among Hindus, promotion of Hindu-Muslim unity, and spread of education. The non-cooperation movement reached its peak. Famous lawyers like Motilal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Chittaranjan Das gave up their legal practices. Subhash Chandra Bose resigned from the civil service. Students came out of the government educational institutions. A number of national schools were established, like Kashi Vidyapith, Gujarat Vidyapith, Bihar Vidyapith, and the Jamia Millia Islamia. At some places, bonfires of foreign clothes were organized. The message of Swadeshi spread everywhere. A violent incident at Chauri Chaura in Uttar Pradesh on 5th February A crowd of peasants was leading a protest march through the village. The police beat up volunteers picketing shops. This agitated the peasants, and the angry people set fire to the police station at Chauri Chaura, and 22 policemen were burnt to death. Mahatma Gandhi was strictly against any violence, and he immediately withdrew the movement. The sudden withdrawal of the movement came as a great shock to the people. The British government arrested Gandhiji, and he was sentenced to 6 years of imprisonment. The non-cooperation movement failed to achieve success, yet it succeeded in preparing a platform for the future movements. Significance of non-cooperation movement. It was the first real mass movement with the participation of different sections of Indian society, such as peasants, workers, students, teachers, and women. It witnessed the spread of nationalism to the remotest corners of India. It also marked the height of Hindu Muslim unity as a result of the merge of the Khilafat movement with it. It demonstrated the willingness and ability of the masses to bear hardships and make sacrifices.